and this is a Dolls Rescue channel. Today I have a tiny doll that I just love. It is, I got it in a Happy Meal from Let's Talk About It with Jaime. I love dolls on skates. Darren and I both roller skate and ice skate. So I don't know, I just love it. She moves, she can sit down, her little arms move. She's the cutest thing. She's a spin master, or by Spin Master, and she is a Candylocks. And what I'm going to do is, she came like this with the hair. You know how kids are, they cut it off. And these dolls come with ridiculously long hair, and it looks a lot like this. So this is what I'm going to use. This is by Yarn Bee. I got this on clearance. I was looking here to see the price. It's $10 for this, and if you craft, it's very worth it. I've used this for a lot of different things. Real cute in troll dolls. You can take it as long as you want it and a little more, make a knot and put that on a troll head and then comb it together. It works great. But what I'm going to do for her is I'm going to take the time and see what it's going to take to get this hair out. It's pretty secure. So I'm going to bet I need to soak that a little bit, and then we're going to put just some of this hair in. I'm not going to make it ridiculously long. Look what Darren did for me. Can you see that itty bitty hook for this doll? The base is the same size as the miniature Blyce and the LOL dolls. And I said, can you make her a stand? So he did his measuring, and look at this, how cute. How cute is that? I will be able to display her with my other dolls. Thank you, Jaime, and I'll show you how this looks. I took this doll and I dipped her in a cup that I added water to, put it in the microwave for a minute, thinking this would come right out. This is a very big deal, and these dolls are made better than you think. I already pulled one of these little zip ties over here that was holding down the hair. This one I cannot get hold of to pull. So what I'm doing right now is trying to pull this hair out little by little, and then we'll decide how we're going to get some back in. So after I yanked and pulled and got it wet and used pliers, I finally got the hair out, and then I doubled that yarn over and hot glued that to her hair. And then, because of the way it was, I just put little rubber bands in. I think it turned out cute. But what I don't want, see how blunt that is right there? So what I think I'm gonna try, witness me ruining everything, is to just kind of blunt those off, or take the blunt out, and we're gonna call it good. I like this doll. Thank you, Jaime. She's really cute, and I love the skates. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.